There's nothing like homemade dumplings. Crispy, juicy, and packed with flavor. Today, we're making Asian beef dumplings from scratch. So let's get started. We're starting with the dough. Just 3 simple ingredients. In a large bowl, you're going to add 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 1/3 cup of boiling water, stirring continuously. The heat activates the gluten, making our dough nice and pliable. Once it's cool enough to handle, knead until smooth. Put it aside and let it rest while we prepare the filling. Now for that juicy, flavorful filling, we've got 16 ounces of minced beef. Let's add some aromatics. Finely chop 2 scallions, some fresh cilantro, and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Now for the flavor boosters. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. Mix it up well. You want this filling well combined, but not overworked, or the dumplings will be too dense. Time to roll. Divide the dough and roll each piece into a log, then cut it into smaller sections. Roll each section into a thin circle, about 3 inches across. Try to keep the edges thinner than the center. Place a spoonful of filling in the center, then fold it over and pinch to seal. You can even try and pleat the edges for that classic dumpling look. Don't come to me for that advice. Repeat until you've got a tray full of dumplings ready to cook. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Place your dumplings in, flat side down. Let them crisp up for a few minutes, then add a splash of water and cover to steam. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. This is what homemade dumplings are all about. Try this at home and let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.